Connecting your PlayStation 5 to a Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor is a straightforward process that will unlock excellent gaming performance, especially at 1440p resolution. We'll walk through each step to ensure you get the best possible connection. First, you'll need a high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. This is crucial for achieving optimal bandwidth and supporting high refresh rates up to 120 Hz. Make sure your cable is certified for HDMI 2.1 to avoid any compatibility issues. Now for the physical connection. On your Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor, locate the HDMI 1 port on the back panel. This port typically offers the best feature support, including full bandwidth for high refresh rates. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your PlayStation 5. The HDMI output port is located on the back of the console. Make sure both devices are powered off before making the connection to avoid any potential issues. After powering on both devices, you'll need to configure your PS5's video output settings. Navigate to Settings, then Screen and Video to access the display options. In the video output settings, set your resolution to 1440p or 4K depending on your specific Odyssey G5 model. Choose 120 Hz refresh rate for the smoothest gaming experience. Enable HDR10 if supported, and turn on VRR to minimize screen tearing. Finally, optimize your Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor settings. Access the on-screen display menu and select Game Mode to minimize input lag. This is crucial for responsive gaming performance. Adjust the picture settings for optimal gaming performance. Set brightness to 75 to 80, contrast to 75, and enable FreeSync to take advantage of variable refresh rate. Set response time to faster and adjust black equalizer to 13 to 15 for better visibility in dark scenes. Your PS5 and Samsung Odyssey G5 are now properly connected and configured for optimal gaming performance. You should experience smooth gameplay with reduced input lag and excellent visual quality at high refresh rates. Achieving optimal gaming performance requires proper configuration of both your PS5 and Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor. The right settings can dramatically improve your gaming experience with reduced input lag, better visual quality, and smoother gameplay. First, ensure your PS5 system software is updated to version 8.0 or later. These updates include enhanced variable refresh rate support and improved HDR tone mapping that works specifically well with Samsung monitors. Similarly, keep your Samsung Odyssey G5 firmware updated. Recent firmware updates have improved FreeSync compatibility and reduced input lag by approximately 2 to 3 milliseconds, which is significant for competitive gaming. Now let's configure your PS5 video output settings for optimal performance. Access the Settings menu, then Screen and Video, and finally Video Output to find these crucial options. Set your resolution to 1440p for the best balance between visual fidelity and performance. This resolution takes full advantage of the G5's native capabilities while maintaining high frame rates in demanding games. Enable 120 Hz refresh rate to take advantage of the monitor's high refresh capabilities. This provides smoother motion and more responsive gameplay, especially in fast-paced action games. Turn on HDR for vibrant colors and improved contrast. However, proper HDR calibration is crucial to avoid a washed-out appearance. The PS5 includes a built-in HDR calibration tool that you should use. Enable variable refresh rate to eliminate screen tearing and provide smoother gameplay. Your G5 supports VRR in the range of 48 to 165 Hz, which covers virtually all PS5 gaming scenarios. Now let's configure your Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor settings. Access the monitor's on-screen display menu to find these picture settings that will optimize your gaming performance. Select Game Mode to minimize input lag, which should achieve around 4 to 6 milliseconds. Set the response time to the fastest setting to reduce motion blur during fast-paced gaming sequences. Enable FreeSync Premium for adaptive sync technology that works seamlessly with the PS5's variable refresh rate feature. This combination provides the smoothest possible gaming experience. If you encounter issues, here are the most common problems and their solutions. A black screen usually indicates an HDMI cable problem. VRR flickering can be resolved with firmware updates, and washed-out HDR requires RGB range adjustment. With these optimal settings configured, you can expect excellent gaming performance with input lag around 4 to 6 milliseconds, smooth VRR operation from 48 to 120 Hz, and color accuracy with delta E less than 2 after proper calibration.